Hi, today we talk about how to use Siemens PLC emulator. Siemens PLC emulator is the S7-Plcsim. Today we use Siemens Tia Portal V17. It has two PLC similar. It's regular in here. S7-Plcsim V17 and advanced S7-Plcsim Advanced V4.0. Today we use the virtual machine Windows 10 is LSBC 2016. So maybe a different from other operator system. Here, let's start. First, we use the S7-Plcsim V17. Okay. First, we start Tia Portal V17. We start already. We set up PLCSM. Okay. Start. Create. Configure device. Choose new device. Okay, we choose S7-1500. We choose which one? We choose this one. Okay, we choose the 1513 1.1. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I choose this one simple. Okay. Here, yeah, this one is the first time I saw only the version 17. Before I use the version 15, 16, they don't have this protection security setting. Okay, we choose here setup. If you're not set up here, maybe not working. Okay. Okay, next. Here is great. That's being okay. Next. Next, here should choose the phone access no protection. Okay, finished. So we just choose the program. We just use a memory address. So 1. Okay, we save, we compare. Okay, here just go to start the simulation. Okay, it's PLC, not trust. You consider a trust. Okay, here. Here, go to the password before you create. Okay, that's it. We choose start module, finish. Okay, just testing. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, that's my PLC S-I-M PLC Sim. Okay, this one is the first one. All the PLC Siemens PLC all use this one. A little bit different. Okay, next video we talk about how to use PLC Sim Advanced. Okay, so thank you very much.